So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete Google account in your Android smartphone. So before beginning the video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. So let's begin the video without any further ado. So to delete Google account from your Android smartphone, go to the settings, scroll down a little bit and find for users and accounts. Here you can see users and accounts. Click on users and accounts, or you can just directly search by going over your search bar. Go to the users and accounts. Here you can see option of Google. Click on the Google, and here you will be able to see all the Gmail account in your Android smartphone. Click on the Gmail account you want to remove. Here in the top right corner you can see three dots. Click on the three dots and click on remove account. And here you can see removing the account will delete all of its messages, contacts and other data from the phone. Simply click on the remove account. Here you can see the account has been removed. So that is all for today's video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.